Life doesn't come with a map. There's no one way to navigate it, but there is a way to master it. It all begins with one simple truth. You are responsible for where you are right now. And if that makes you uncomfortable, good. Because discomfort is where growth happens. Look, we've all had moments where we feel stuck, overwhelmed, or like we are drifting without a clear direction. Maybe your finances are in chaos. Maybe you're stuck in a job you hate. Maybe you feel like you're losing control of your health, your relationships, or your dreams. But here's the good news, it's never too late to turn things around. Step 1. Stop blaming. Stop blaming your past, your circumstances, or other people. The longer you cling to excuses, the longer you stay stuck. You are not a victim of life. You are its architect. The moment you take ownership of your life is the moment you reclaim your power to change it. Step 2. Set a vision. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Don't just think about what's realistic or what others expect of you. Picture your dream life, whether it's personal success, inner peace, or deeper relationships. Get clear on your why, because your why will fuel your actions. And step 3. Take small, consistent actions. You don't need to overhaul everything at once. That's overwhelming. Focus on one area, maybe your health, your finances, or your mindset. What's one small thing you can do today? Success doesn't come from grand gestures. It comes from tiny steps, taken day in and day out. Even when you don't feel like it. I know it's hard. I know the road to getting your life together can feel long, messy, and full of obstacles. But guess what? You've overcome challenges before, and you will overcome them again. Every setback is just a setup for your next breakthrough. So today, decide. Decide to stop letting life happen to you. Decide to start building the life you've always dreamed of. The clock is ticking, but you are not out of time. You have everything you need to make a change right now. Believe in yourself, because the life you want is waiting for you to claim it. Get up, get going, and get your life together. The best version of you is waiting on the other side.